Rosette is a solver-aided language. I really like it because it really utilizes the underlying Racket language in a really beautiful way. You can think of Rosette as a compiler of Racket to an assembly of constraints. Let's look at this example. I'm going to copy this into my Dr. Scheme window. Lang Rosette, that means we're using a special language. All these things that you can see are coming from that language, like assert, like the map, all these things are coming from Rosette. What we're doing is that we are making a stat solver that would find proper valuations for the variables RO, Z, E, T, and E, so that this formula, when you interpret it, it would evaluate to true. And interpretation is pretty straightforward. It's a pattern matching. When the formula matches and of an expression, you apply interpret over to all the values in that expression, and then you AND them all together. Same goes with OR. And for negation, you negate interpretation of whatever expression is. I really like that Dr. Racket makes all these visual associations for you and all this highlighting. It really helps with the readability of your code. Anyway, so this is where stat is defined. So if I run this with Dr. Racket, Rosette would try to find a formula for me. That if it tries to find a model for me. So model is a mapping of the variables to a value. That's a model. Okay. So if I place RO to true, RO and T to true, and then RO, S and T to true, and E to false, this formula would hold. Can we check that? Well, E, if it's false, then negation of E is true. T must be true. Then T is true, so either E or S must be true. So that's S is true, and between R and O, both of them must be true. So this formula is satisfiable. So that's pretty cool.